Hey guys, Jacob from Trucks and Toys. So we've got a near new F350 in front of us. So this truck came in with a few thousand Ks. What we've done is thrown the complete catalogue at it. Now this on the front is running the Off-Road Creative pre-runner bar with the 15,000 pound carbon winch, some steady lights in the front for your fog lights and just a little driving light. But to give it the real lights, it's got the 3 LP9s on the top of the bar, as well as a full set of linkables across the roof. Now this will light it up like daylight. So you've got all the distance and the spread with those up top. Now on the front for communications, we are running the GME UHF with the XRS inside. On this truck, you'll see it's now white and black. This truck came chrome, it's had a full chrome delete. So every bit of chrome on this truck has either been pulled off, painted black or white, just to give it that modern sort of sleek look. Around the side, you will see this truck sitting a little bit higher. So we are running the Carli E-Venture suspension. This is one of the best suspensions on the market for an F truck. These are a fully electronically tuned shock. So these have a few sensors around the engine. How this works, it has what they call a solenoid valve on the shock, which allows the shock to change quite rapidly as you drive. So as you corner, as you put the brakes on the front, the shock gets told this from its ECU, which then allows it to apply more valving, which gives the car better handling. This has every Carli as well, every Carli option as well. So radius arm, steering, stabilizers, you name it, we've put it in this truck. To cover the wide offset wheels, we are running a set of bushwhacker flares, painted satin black to match the satin black look. For tyres, we're running a Method, quite a wide wheel. This is a 20x10 with a bit of an aggressive offset to suit the flares with a Yokohama Gearlander. The good thing about running this tyre and setting the suspension up correctly, this truck drives like a factory truck, although it's now about a tonne and nearly 2 tonne heavier than factory, and it's going to hit corrugations and dirt roads with a caravan on it. So around the side, you'll see all the chrome is now gone, so all the mirrors, door handles are all satin black. Up top, we are running a roof rack system, so this is a bit of a hybrid system, so it's got the wedge tail rails with a Yakima platform with a few accessories mounted on the top, as well as the linkables on the front. It does have little side lights left and right that are switched off inside the car and the canopy, so when you get on down a trail you can flick them on, or you're camping you can switch them on. Around the rear, for suspension, being this has a canopy, it does have varying load from a caravan to weight in the back. We've fitted the Kelderman falling suspension, so this gets rid of all the leaves, changes it to an airbag over falling system, which gives it an incredible ride whether you've got 100 kilos or a tonne in the back. Shocks have been tuned to suit this weight as well. Even though they are electronically tuned, we still valve the shocks to suit the car accordingly. On the back, you'll see Dam Steel's canopy. So Dam Steel have done a wonderful job on this canopy. It is full central locking. It's got every feature you could expect in a modern canopy. It's painted white throughout. It's got fridges both sides, pull-out drawers, kitchens, you name it, it's got it. Around the back, we have fitted 2 long-range tanks. So this truck's got, I think it's around the 400 litres of diesel. So we've got the Brown Davis long-range tank underneath on a pump to pump into the main tank, as well as an SMB underbody tank. Around the side here, they've also done a compressor in the box. Dam Steel have done a great job on this ARB full system with the new brushless compressor. Now, full Enerdrive pack in this, Red Arc and Enerdrive, as well as a pile warmer, fridge and the usual stuff. Now, other things you can't see on this, we have done a bit of preventive maintenance, so it is running a fast fuel system as well as a CP4 prevention kit, as well as a few Banks parts. So if you've got a new or an older Ford and you want to do a build on it, give us a buzz, we can help you out and see what we can do.